Hello everyone. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can resolve the video format issue when you import some video on the Camtasia and it says that the video format is not supported. So I have this problem also. So when I import any media like this scene, so when I import this into my Camtasia, it says that cannot load file and it is either an unsupported media type or required codecs are not found. So what to do when you encounter this type of error? So let's get to know what to do in such type of errors. So I have searched across the Google and I found out that there is a website named at HandBrake video converter. So you just need to click on write the HandBrake video converter and press the enter. So it will take you to the website. So this is the website HandBrake. So just click on it. So here you can see that when I open this, it says me that you need to download HandBrake 1.10.2 for Windows 10 and later. So just click on it. So it will start downloading this software. So now our software has been downloaded. So you can see that our software has been downloaded. So we will go into the folder where the software has been downloaded and we will double click on it so that we can install it on in our PC. So just double click on it and wait until the application interface for the installation has been started. So now you can see that the interface of the application software has been opened. So we will just need to install it in our PC. So just follow the process, click on the next, and now we need to accept the license agreement. We will click on the next here too, and then we will install it in our PC. Now wait until the software has been installed in our PC. So now just click on the finish, and now we have successfully installed the HandBrake in our PC. So now we need to double click on it so that the software is open. But now we can see that this software says that in order to use this HandBrake software you need to download .NET for Windows PC. So we will just click on it and install the .NET 8.0 desktop for Windows. So when you click on it, it will start downloading the exe file for this software. So we will also install this software as well so that we can use the HandBrake software. So now you can see that the software has already been started downloading. So just click on the download and wait until the download process has been completed. So now the .NET software has been installed. So we will go into the folder where it has been downloaded. So now this is the exe file. We just need to double click on it in order to install this application. Once you double click on it, the interface has been open. So just click on the install and it will be installed into your Windows PC. So once it's been installed in your PC, you can see you will see that our HandBrake software will start will be start opening, and we can convert our video codecs as well. So now you can see that the software has been HandBrake software has been opened. So we will need to go to the video which is encountering an error of the codec. So click on the file and go to the video which has an incorrect codec format. So these are some of the videos which I when I opened it in the Camtasia, it says that your videos are have incorrect or incorrect or unsupported media. So I will go to the video section of this interface. So before I will go, I will just need to show you that what was the actual problem we were encountering. So when I click on this video to open it in Camtasia, it says that Camtasia cannot load this file because it has an either unsupported media or incorrect codec. So for that reason we need to use this HandBrake software so that we can change the codec of that video. So we'll go into the video and we choose H.264 codec. So this is the supported codec for the Camtasia. So when we will choose this H.264 in codec and we will start encoding it, it will be it will be open in the Camtasia as well. So now we just need to choose this H.264 codec so that our video can be supported by Camtasia. So once you choose this one, just click on the start encoding and it will encode your video format so that you can import this into your Camtasia. So let's wait until the software has encoded this video into the H.264 format. So now our video has been saved in this location. So we will copy this so that we can see that the encoded video. So just copy it and paste it into the your PC so that you can see the actual location of the video where your HandBrake software has saved it. So now this is the video which is now codec has been changed. So now if we import this video into the Camtasia, then we will see that this video can be imported to the Camtasia. So when you import this video, so now just open it, and now you can see that this video has been successfully imported by Camtasia. So that's how you can change the codec of the videos, and if there are some errors in your video codec, these videos will not be supported by Camtasia. So in order to match the codec, you need to use the HandBrake software and change the codec the way I have guide you in this video. So if you have liked the video and enjoyed it, so do subscribe it and like the video and press the bell icon so that you can keep updated with the latest videos on this channel as well. So thank you so much.